Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Join me today, let's make cheese french toast. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. So to start, without wasting much time, I'm going to go ahead to prepare a butter mix. As you can see, I have my butter here. I'm going to add my garlic, add some salt since I'm using unsalted butter. I will also add some black powdered pepper. Then I'll mix everything together. Next, I'm going to go ahead to spread it on my bread. And guys, make sure you spread the both sides of the sliced bread and repeat the same process with the remaining bread until you finish everything. So after I'm done spreading the butter mix on my bread, I'm going to go ahead to arrange them in my air fryer pan, since I'm going to be using my air fryer to toast my bread. So next, I'm going to go ahead to add in my crumb cheese. So next, go ahead to place the other two slices of your bread on top of the one in your air fryer pan. So next, I'm going to go ahead to fix back the air fryer pan in the air fryer. Then I'll go ahead to set the time and also the temperature. After that, I'll let it toast. So guys, first you have to set the timing for 5 minutes, and after toasting your bread for 5 minutes, flip to the other side and toast for more 5 minutes. Then after 5 minutes, I'm going to go ahead to take out my bread from the air fryer. So guys, as you can see, it came out very nice. The outside is crunchy while the inside is stuffed with a lot of cheese. And please guys, tell me what you think about this recipe in the comment section, and also don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video.